watching.
Good day, folks. How are we doing today? There's the indoor flower tent. She's rocking along nicely. Everything's working as planned. Inline fan is humming along. Let's see what we got going in here today. How are things looking? Looks like we're getting close to dawn. Medicine is growing nicely. Hyperspectral light is just rocking along. And temperature and humidity is right where we want it to be. Very good, very good. Whew, just that little window open. Here comes the smell. Okay, we're definitely gradually getting things cleaned up here. Organized. Time to get some seeds started going soon. The sun was out earlier, but not anymore. And here's tent 2, the veg tent. All geared up and ready to go. Got my smart timer. Okay, and there we are, all lit up. Got to get them pots filled. Seeds are on the way. Light is doing good. Got the brackets set up for doing time-lapse photography of the seedlings as they pop the ground. Plug in. Have to clean up some cords later. That's what that pocket up here is for. Time to get I gotta order an exhaust fan for this tent. We'll put an adapter in that window and exhaust it out. It's gonna be awesome. Very excited for this year's season. Yep, just gotta finish organizing and we'll be doing good. The healing is on the way. Thanks very much. If you like this content, like and subscribe. And I'll do another video soon. Thank you.